Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Yogurt and fruit make a perfect pair, simple, nutritious, and endlessly customizable. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast, a post-workout snack, or a light dessert, this combo delivers natural sweetness and a boost of protein, probiotics, and vitamins. It's no wonder it's a go-to for health-conscious food lovers. From creamy Greek yogurt with berries to tropical mango swirls, the options are as varied as they are delicious. The best part? You don't need anything fancy, just fresh ingredients and a little creativity. Let's dive into some easy ways to mix, match, and enjoy this winning duo. The nutritional benefits of yogurt and fruit combos. Yogurt and fruit aren't just a tasty pairing, they pack a serious nutritional punch. Together, they create a balanced snack that fuels your body with gut-friendly probiotics, muscle-building protein, and a rainbow of vitamins. Let's break down why this combo works so well. Probiotics and gut health. Yogurt is famous for its live cultures, the good bacteria that keep your gut happy. These probiotics help digest food, fight off harmful microbes, and even support your immune system. But here's the twist. Fruit adds prebiotic fiber, which acts like fertilizer for those probiotics. Top fruit picks for gut health. Bananas. Rich in inulin, a fiber that feeds probiotics. Berries. Packed with soluble fiber to keep digestion smooth. Apples. Their pectin content helps maintain a healthy gut lining. Mixing yogurt with these fruits creates a double win. Probiotics get the fuel they need to thrive, and your digestive system stays balanced. Vitamins and antioxidants. Fruits bring a burst of vitamins and antioxidants to yogurt, turning a simple snack into a nutrient powerhouse. Each fruit adds something unique. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. High in vitamin C and anthocyanins, which fight inflammation. Kiwi. Loaded with vitamin K and folate for heart and blood health. Mango. A great source of vitamin A, crucial for vision and immune function. The natural sugars in fruit also pair perfectly with yogurt's tangy flavor, cutting through the richness without needing added sweeteners. Yogurt's protein slows down sugar absorption, preventing energy crashes. Together, they deliver steady energy, making them ideal for breakfast or a midday pick-me-up. Ready to try some combos? The next section covers easy recipes to get you started. Best yogurt and fruit combinations. Mixing yogurt with fruit is one of the simplest ways to create a snack that's delicious, satisfying, and packed with nutrients. Some combinations are tried and true classics, while others take advantage of bold flavors for a unique twist. Here are some of the best pairings to try, from everyday favorites to unexpected tropical blends. Classic pairings. Some yogurt and fruit combos never go out of style. They're quick, balanced, and loved for good reason. Strawberries with honey yogurt. The natural sweetness of strawberries pairs perfectly with lightly sweetened yogurt. A drizzle of honey adds just enough richness without overpowering the fruit. Blueberries with vanilla yogurt. Creamy vanilla yogurt mellows the slight tartness of blueberries, making this a smooth, satisfying bite every time. Banana with almond butter yogurt. Bananas bring natural sweetness, while almond butter gives yogurt extra creaminess and protein. It's a breakfast combo that keeps you full for hours. For extra texture, sprinkle granola or chopped nuts on top. These classic pairings work with almost any yogurt, Greek, skyr, or even dairy-free alternatives. Exotic and creative combos. If you love experimenting with flavors, these vibrant yogurt and fruit pairings will take your snack game to the next level. Mango with chili lime yogurt. Sweet mango meets tangy lime and a subtle kick from chili powder. The contrast of flavors is refreshing and bold, especially with a sprinkle of sea salt. Dragon fruit with coconut yogurt. The mild taste of dragon fruit makes it ideal for pairing with rich coconut yogurt. Top with toasted coconut flakes for crunch. Lychee with rosewater yogurt. Floral, fragrant, and lightly sweet, This combination is a dessert-worthy treat. A touch of pistachios adds a nutty contrast. For an extra tropical twist, try pineapple with ginger-infused yogurt or passion fruit swirled into cashew yogurt. These unexpected combinations keep things interesting without being complicated. Whether you lean toward traditional favorites or adventurous flavors, these yogurt and fruit pairings are a simple way to enjoy a nutrient-rich snack any time of day. How to make yogurt with fruits at home. Making yogurt with fruit at home is an easy way to enjoy a fresh, customizable snack. The secret is choosing the right yogurt and prepping the fruits properly. This keeps textures crisp, flavors bright, and nutrients intact. Here's how to do it right. Choosing the right yogurt. Not all yogurts work the same way with fruit. The best pick depends on your taste and dietary needs. Greek yogurt. Thick and creamy, it holds up well with juicy fruits. Its high protein content makes it filling, ideal for breakfast. Icelandic, skyr, yogurt. Even thicker than Greek, with a mild tang. Perfect for layering with delicate fruits like raspberries or peaches. Plant-based yogurt, almond, coconut, soy. Lighter and often sweeter. Works well with tropical fruits like mango or pineapple. Avoid overly watery varieties, they dilute the fruit's flavor. For best results, opt for plain, unsweetened yogurt. This lets the natural sweetness of the fruit shine. That's it for part 1. We've covered some great fruit and yogurt combinations. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll share more easy recipes and tips to elevate your yogurt game. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.